Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest NIO news. We just had the NIO earnings report. What does this mean for this company? Is it a good time to buy? But most importantly, what is this stock going to do into the future? They have very big plans ahead, and I did want to share those with you. In addition to this, we had some very big and huge news on Chargepoint. They are now partnering up with a very large automotive industry maker, Toyota. What does this mean for this company and more? I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to get your free stocks using my links down below. Put in $1 into that Moomoo account will get you a free NIO stock. Put in at least $100 will get you an additional Lucid Motor stock. Stay to the end of this video and I can show you how you can get incredible opportunities to earn even more stocks and a huge amount of free cash. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk to you about NIO. NIO did just post its earnings reports last week. I did comb through these. We did have some good news and some bad news. First of all, let's talk about some of the bad news. They did miss the earnings per share by about 22%. So they did have some losses per share of price. They were actually down, I'm looking at my notes here, 21 cents, which was a lot worse than it was last year at this time, which was about 16 cents. But there is a lot of good things to look at NIO and looking at its futures ahead. First of all, let's look at their delivery numbers. So just in the Q4 of 2021, they had posted over 25,034 vehicles were actually delivered just in that quarter year alone. If you do look at the year per year, year over year, they actually increased the amount of vehicles they did deliver, about 44% year over year increase. Now that is great news considering that we had huge supply chain issues and we still continue to have those right now and chip shortages as well. This has actually hurt a lot of auto manufacturers, but nonetheless, NIO has strived through this and increases their production volume. In addition to this, we have seen that NIO can produce a lot more vehicles than they are producing, but they are retooling a lot of their facilities, their factories, because they are introducing two new brand models, the ET7 and the ET5, just this year alone. Just this month in March 2021, they will be introducing the ET7, which is its first luxury sedan vehicle that will be competing with the Tesla Model S, the Lucid Air Dream. So this will be an incredible vehicle and it will have a lot of demand. So far, we have learned that there have been over 15,000 reservations for this vehicle alone. They will start delivering it this month, March of 2021. In addition to this, later this year, they will be introducing its second vehicle, the ET5, which will be a little bit smaller version that will be competing with the Tesla Model 3. And also will be in an incredible vehicle. Both of these vehicles have very long ranges, have very good performance, but most importantly, are very nice luxury vehicles. So that is great news for NIO moving forward. And I do think that they're going to have incredible demand for their vehicles as we are seeing that NIO is going to be a very big EV player. Now, we have also learned that NIO will be expanding its fleet, expanding its vehicle sales beyond China and now Norway. They are going into the European market. NIO is going into the European market. They are going to be selling in the German market, Netherlands, Sweden, and Finland as well. They're going to be incredible growth company. Now, that being said, this year is still going to be very difficult for them to get vehicle productions going because they are still having the supply chain chip shortages. However, they are working on building a brand new factory through the JAC, the production-based, Chinese-based company that will be making vehicles for NIO. They are now going to be having a potential to make double the amount of vehicles that they are going to be making now. So this will be incredible opportunities and incredible growth for the future. We did hear that NIO will also be entering other markets by the year 2025. I do think that by the year 2025, they will try to get into the US market, as we do know that they have just most recently acquired a headquarters in the United States in San Jose, California, in Silicon Valley. So that is incredible news that NIO will be growing as a company, and they are an international company. I am not too worried about them being delisted. We do know that China is regulating their stocks, but we have heard from the Chinese government that they are going to be working with the SEC and the American regulators, so because they really do need their stocks being traded on the US market, and it really helps them with revenue and with funding, which is very critical and much needed on a brand new EV startup company. Now, that being said, I do think that NIO has great potentials ahead of itself, and I did just want to talk about how its stock has been doing. Just in the past one day, it is up almost 6.5%, trading at the end at $21.21. In the past 5 days, we have actually seen a little bit of life. We look like we have seen a bottom in the stock. Just in the past 1 week, we have tested below $20, and we have tested a high of $22.50. But the biggest thing is in the last 1 month, we have found the bottom of $14.10, which was on March 14th, where the whole entire market actually had a huge sell-off. But since then, we are up a huge amount, 56% since that low of $14.10. So incredible opportunities in this stock, but we are now trading again at a good stabilization at above that $20. If we look in the past 6 months, we are actually still down 39% in NIO stock. I do think that it has still a very nice upward movement to get this stock up. Let's look at what Wall Street analysts have to say about this. There are a total of 17 analysts on Wall Street that have reviewed NIO stock. 15 give it a buy, 2 a hold, 0 a sell. That does give it a strong buy rating, with the price target an average in the next 12 months of $44, which gives us 109% upside from now. Even if you look at the lowest price target in the next 12 months from all these analysts, that is $28.30. If you look at the price of the stock right now at $21, you are still giving a huge upside potential in this stock. But again, this stock could go up as high as $87. That is according to Wall Street analysts. In my own opinion, I do think that by the end of this year, I do think that we will be hitting $30. We are actually down 40% on this stock. At one point, we were up in June on $53, June 30th, but have since sold off. I do think that the next big part will be for us to retest that $30 mark. I do think that by the end of this year, we will be hitting that $30 mark, if not any sooner than this. But the biggest downside on this is going to be the supply chain issues. Are they going to be able to ramp up productions? That is the key limiting thing, not just for this company, but all EV manufacturers. So I do think that NIO is a great potential stock for long-term growth, and I am not too concerned about the delisting concerns that a lot of people are having, because I do think that this will not be delisted, but there always is that potential. So always do your own due diligence, always do your own research. Now, switching gears, I did want to talk to you about some very big news with Chargepoint. So Chargepoint has just come out with a major deal with Toyota. They are going to make a very nice vehicle. It's going to be an SUV by the name of Toyota. It will be BZ4X. So this will be a very nice electric vehicle that Toyota is working on, but they have now partnered up with Chargepoint. So Chargepoint will be the primary charging system of the Toyota. They are also going to be selling the Chargepoint level 2 charging systems at Toyota dealerships because of this partnership. This is going to be incredible growth for this company, for Chargepoint and both Toyota once they start getting the electric vehicle out. But right now, Chargepoint has been selected by Toyota because in the United States, it has very nice availability and convenience to charge your electric vehicles. And Toyota definitely wants its customers to be convenient to charge its new electric vehicle system. So that being said, Chargepoint right now is in 80% of the American market. It has great infrastructure, and it now has struck that very big deal with Toyota. This is incredible news for this company, and it has shown in its stock price. Let me just transition Chargepoint stock price, ticker symbol CHPT, just in the past 5 days is up more than 4%. The last time we did trade this was today at $18.67. We were down lower than $18 at one point at the beginning of last week. But if we look at the past 1 month, we have incredible growth in this stock. We are up over 30% on this stock when we hit that low of $14. Just in the past 1 month, we are up an incredible amount, over 32, almost 33% from this month. Now, in the past 6 months, we are actually still down on this stock by about 8.6%. So we do still have quite a bit of room for upward movement so we can get those gains back. But we did see that November was a very big month for the EV stocks in general. And we did actually test in Chargepoint up to $27, $26, $27 around this point. But right now we are actually getting a nice upward movement. You can see that since January 27th, that was its lowest point where the stock was trading at its 52-week low at $11.21. We have actually gone up 63% in the stock alone. I definitely think there's some very big things to look forward to with Chargepoint. They are starting to get a lot more deals with the electric companies, especially Toyota. Toyota is going to be huge, and it is a very big company. When you look at market cap, Toyota is actually, once they get their electric vehicle system, electric vehicle products, we are in that EV revolution phase. This is at the very beginning. We're just seeing the tip of the iceberg. But right now, Chargepoint is going to electrify. It's going to charge all these electric vehicles that are coming out. So I think this company is a very nice company to hold long term. I have owned this stock and I am still in this stock. I'm going to be holding this for a very long time, as I do think that this EV revolution, these electric vehicles will need to be charged. But it is incredible, great news if you are a stockholder of Chargepoint, because Toyota is an incredibly big company. Now they're going to have the Chargepoint charging level 2 in the Toyota dealership, so you can actually purchase it to install it into your house. So incredible opportunities for this company moving forward. And I definitely think you should put this on your watch list if you do not already own this stock. But always do your own due diligence, always do your own research before purchasing this or any other stock. But I hope that you like this video. I hope that you learned something new. If you did, please give me that big thumbs up. It'll keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get all my latest videos. Don't forget to share this page with others. I'd greatly appreciate that so we can continue to grow the channel. Also, I do have my free links down below to Moomoo. If you use that link down below to Moomoo, put in $1, we'll get you a free NIO stock. Put in at least $100, we'll get you an additional Lucid Motor LCID stock. Moomoo will also give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. So that is an incredible opportunity to get a free NIO stock, Lucid stock, and up to $17,500 in free stocks. My viewers have been writing me that they are so happy that I'm recommending them. They have been getting Amazon stock, Apple stock, Tesla stock, Lucid stock, NIO stock. They also got a Netflix stock. The list keeps growing. Thank you so much for letting me know about the stocks that you have received, and congratulations to all those viewers that have received these free stocks. But take advantage of this huge opportunity to get some free money, to get some free stocks. But most importantly, thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel. Have a great week, and I cannot wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.